Alright guys, so I have a new package from Shopee. The seller is from China, I think. DHphoto.ph. I thought they are from Philippines because their name is DHphoto.ph. Just want to record this for documentation purposes if the item is legit. So my item is an Ulanzi 16mm wide lens with CP filter. So here's the first one, and the second one is this case, a P20 Pro case. So we'll attach the lens here. But this what excites me, yeah, Ulanzi. I can't afford the Cassie lens right now, so I'm buying this one, getting this one. I think this is the real deal. Get this one, this one. So let's open up.
Stay low, honey, so I don't tap you. You know what? You should set up a studio.
Alright.
Alright.
This is my second mobile phone lens. Oh, it's a nice pouch.
Yeah.
It's a hard
It's
case.
not a pouch, yeah.
It's a case with, what do you call this one? Carabiner.
Carabiner, whatever.
Yes, and this is the Ulanzi lens. I don't know where's the filter. Oh, here's the filter with the clip, but I don't need the clip if I use the case. No,
Is that the price though for the
no,
one case?
no.
What's that?
I don't know. Oh, alright. So this is the lens and this is the filter.
Should we compare that to?
Yeah, I'll make another video, so stay tuned. I don't know how to.
You have to like attach. This is the filter.
No. The filter is already attached to the lens, but
I
can't
thought it's like transparent.
can't get this out. Okay, all right. So this is the CPL filter. I'm not sure how to remove that one, but it's already there, and this.
No, that
makes,
looks.
yeah, we have to remove
Prettier.
the filter.
And then the other lens that we got has more
Yes, of course. Anyway,
pieces.
we'll try to get this one. So this is for P20 Pro phone case. We're gonna try it out. This is from the Black Islands
Oh yeah, the black
sticker. Alright, it fits well. Alright. Then I guess we just have to snap it in. Boom, baby.
Mm. Now,
What? Yes, the lens has no what you call that? Vignette,
The
vignette around it. It's a clean lens. Just look at the difference.
yeah,
Uh,
kind of.
that and then versus hold on. The no lens. So the lens is wide and it's perfect fit for my phone. Boom!
Boom, boom.
Let's remove the filter. Oh, there. The filter is very useful in lighting. It removes flares.
Okay,
I think this is perfect.
try. How about this one?
This is for the protection, and it looks the lens great.
It looks the lens
I
great.
think my 1,800 pesos is worth it. I just waited like 10 days for this one, but it's worth it.
Do they have like bigger lenses for like more wider shots for films and all?
No, I don't know, but they have other lens like macro, zoom, and then
Okay, I think it's all wrapped up. Again,
okay,
guys,
it's
this
cool. It's
is
cool.
the
Ulanzi 16 mm wide lens.
Ulanzi.
Yeah, it's a Cassie alternative, and I think it's nice. It's good. I've used
I
the
should
black
make
eye
like a different
lens.
review
Yes,
video.
I used the black eye lens, but it's not a perfect fit for P20 Pro. It has Viginet around
This
it,
really
so
looks so cool with the casing, then the clip compared to the black eye. But yeah,
okay.
so
Okay.
pretty.
Peace out.
You.